Hey folks, Aaron here from Beansprout, and I have a little soprano to show you today. This is for a customer who really wanted a lightweight and loud and soprano from me, and it was really fun to go for that vibe, especially since some of the good old vintage instruments that I like are built that way. So for this one though, we chose the body woods to be spruce and maple. And this spruce is some of our driftwood spruce that our friend Craig got, and then the maple, some beautiful western big leaf with some bug holes in it that we got from our friend Ben's property. Spruce and walnut for the neck, and then walnut for everything else. So spruce, walnut, and maple is all it is. And we wanted peg head tuners because they're a little lighter weight and they look kind of old-fashioned. You know, no strap button, no end pin, bone nut and saddle. And I think that the spruce and maple really give it a good volume and sustain. I really like it. Yeah, it's got a good sound. So anyway, that is number 1025, ready to go. Cheers.